you can wear it on Diwali as well and lots of other Indian functions. And this is the founder and the designer, and that's Nidhi, and it's their own hard work. That's you want to say something about Bailey and how it came about?
Bailey is all about flowers.
And Bailey,
Like you see.
this outfit was curated specially for Moni.
Yes.
And I think no one can.
Carry lehenga and sari better than her.
That's true.
So I think I'd also like to tell you guys how it came about. I think one day she was sitting and drawing a painting,
Yeah.
and she was making some flowers. So Bailey is another name for a jasmine.
Jasmine flower.
And so she thought, why not put this on a fabric? And that's how the idea came about. As you can see, the
The whole applique work.
applique
work.
patti is so beautiful, and whether you put it on a Western outfit or an Indian outfit, it just looks stunning. So I feel very happy and very, very proud to be wearing and walking for my best friend and my family.
Thank
And
you.
it's
Means a
both
lot
their
to me.
hard work that you should
Thank
got
you.
to
Thank
see
you.
the show. मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था मेरी दोबारा शादी हो गई today when I was getting ready.
Yeah,
to be
she actually
honest.
said.
Yeah.
It's a lot of
jewelry, yeah.
It's a lot of tamjham.
I think I,
So the whole
I think I dressed her like this on her wedding also.
Yeah, and
Yes.
and there was a veil. We had to let go of it because we didn't know what to do with it.
That's
so it
true.
is very elaborate. But having said that, I love wearing Indian outfits. I love the whole saj. जिसको बोलते हैं, and you know during Durga Puja I was working, so I could only attend Ashtami. So I was very happy I was getting to get ready today. Yeah.
She's a-
कितना आपने ब्राइडल डेज को आपने याद किया क्योंकि वो एक दिन रहता है जो
थोड़ा बहुत आज का सारा फोकस इन पे था. जब मैं रेडी हो रही थी तो मुझे याद आ गई जब मैं अपने शादी के दिन
के लिए-
तैयार हो रही थी. बट टुडे वाज ऑल अबाउट हर, सो फिंगर्स क्रॉस. मैं बस चाहती थी कि आज का शो अच्छा हो जाए बस.
मैं पीछे रो रही थी. मैं पीछे रो रही थी.
No, he's asking. What are you asking?
how was your selection about the outfit about the jewelry?
They're
So
asking about your
basically, yeah,
process.
basically the theme for the show was Bailey Bagh.
Bagh.
That's why if you see, everything was all about flowers. All the models were in flowers, and that's why she's also in a flower. And because she's a moon child, we decided to keep her in white
And gold.
and gold, moon.
Thank you.